Today we get to see a wonderful van build made almost entirely of reclaimed materials by a very capable woman who hadn't ever built anything before. Check out all the cool copper accents, including the sink made out of a copper mixing bowl. It's super cute and almost everything in it is from thrift stores. It's one of my favorites and I think you're going to love it too.
Hi, I'm Jamie. This is a Pricity. She's a 1993 Ford Econoline 150. She's got a tall fiberglass roof that I can stand up in, which is really great. Her Instagram handle is Apricity's Glow. I built this van by myself and it took me about 6 months, and almost everything in here is repurposed or recycled or used. And so it's a very inexpensive build. So I have a little foot pump sink, and I have 5 gallons of fresh and 5 gallons of gray water underneath, just in a jug that's really easy to remove. I love my foot pump. These were just crates that I bought and painted myself and put on little sliders for my kitchen things. I have the standard ARB fridge and this thing that I thought was going to be a desk or a cutting board to give me a little space, and I've never used. It just sits here. All the wood in my ceiling came from a barn that was being torn down in my backyard in a place that I lived, and I didn't have a van yet. But I went and gathered up this wood because I'd already decided this was the look I wanted for the van. And they asked me how much I wanted, and I said, I don't know, I've never built anything before. So I just took a pile, and I used almost every piece in this van. So,
oh, it's beautiful.
It's my favorite part. The ceiling is my favorite part of the build. This was a standard memory foam queen that I cut down to be short because I am short enough to sleep this way in the van. And it's huge. I thought the dogs would sleep with me and they won't. Hallie sleeps in the throne there in the front. There's a platform there to extend the seat. This is my clothing storage underneath here that's recently been changed around to accommodate JC as well. I am a backpacker and I bought this van because my dogs are getting old. And I would like to be through hiking more trails, but they're too old to be doing that. So I bought this van to drive us around to trails and do smaller hikes. So it's great for that.
And how long have you been living in the van?
18 months.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what do you love about van life?
It's like having my backpack on wheels everywhere I go. So it feels free and light, and it's really me in a way. It really helped me establish my identity in a way that I didn't know I needed. So it's just like a little van of magic that is me everywhere I go. So
nice.
It feels safe and homey. It's nice.
Have you had any challenges in van life?
I joke that I'm going to write a book, and the book is going to be called First I Did It Wrong. Because every part of living in a van or doing van maintenance or finding parking or like learning how BLM land works and how to look at a map and choose a location, every part of that I do wrong the first time. But then you learn, right? So maybe the next time it will be better, or it will get easier, or at least you remember that even though you've done it wrong, it's going to be fine. It's going to work out.
That's right. Yeah. Excellent. Can we see the back?
Yeah. The standard garage back. This side is all, these are 4-foot deep drawers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they pull all the way out. And so this side is all of my camping gear, my chairs, my table, everything van related goes in here. And that side is all backpacking gear.
Tell us about your power.
I have 2 solar panels on top, 100 watts, and I have 125 amp hour batteries, 2 of them, and I have a huge inverter that I now almost never use. I have an electric tea kettle that I turn on, and so that's great, and so this is way more power than I need.
Good.
It has worked flawlessly since it went in, so that's great.
Excellent. Great. Well, thank you so much for sharing, Jamie, and share your social one more time.
Apricity's Glow.
Okay. We'll see you on the internet.
Yeah.
Thank you. I want to thank Jamie for sharing her beautiful, comfortable van with us. I am so impressed that this is the first thing she's ever built. Please hit that thumbs up below and make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. And I want to thank you for your thoughtful comments and questions, so keep them coming and I'll do my best to respond. This is Joni with TheGalavan. Enjoy your journey.